Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You've already created an account and updated the app. Now sign in. Enter your username and password, then complete two-factor authentication so Vanguard recognizes your device. Once done, set a secure PIN or enable biometrics for faster future access. Make sure you land on the home screen. This is where funds, accounts, and alerts appear. Knowing you're on home lets you move straight to funding and trades without hunting through menus. You're ready to fund and place trades. Start a transfer from your linked bank. ACH takes 1 to 3 business days, so plan accordingly. Once funds show, select Buy from the account view, search ticker or Vanguard fund, then pick Market for immediate fills or Limit to control price. You can schedule recurring investments to dollar cost average and enter either shares or dollar amounts. Make sure to review estimated costs and allocation before confirming. After submitting a trade, review the confirmation screen and check your account's transaction history to verify execution. Once confirmed, download statements or tax documents from Documents and enable push alerts so you get fills and balance changes in real time. If something goes wrong, orders not showing or app crashing, first clear the app cache or reinstall and verify your internet connection. If problems persist, contact Vanguard support with the order time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.